Ready for your moment of shine?
On Friday.
What am I going to say?
When did you guys get there? You guys got there Friday.
Yeah.
So there's only 3 guys left.
Really, is this the,
And
is
will
that
they
the,
go
is
as
that
well?
the interview question?
They'll
they
leave
here?
in
Actually, we're talking about
December 9th.
happiness.
Or
Happiness. Okay.
like next
What is happiness
Monday or
for Franco?
Tuesday, I forget when it is.
So should I go up? Should I go up in the
Blake,
confessatory
Barrington,
chair up
and
there? Is that what you're
Everett.
going to do?
No, you can say right here in front of everybody.
Right here in front of all these people?
All these people.
They're kind of the main.
Well,
they're
I
the,
think that is this a 3D camera?
Yes, a 3D camera, but we're not doing 3D right now.
3D camera.
We don't have 3D.
Okay, I want to go off into. I want to sit up there.
Okay, we'll follow you. Whatever you say, boss.
Okay, so
You want to sit in the nice little
in a nice chair.
have your space,
Have my space. Be able to
have a momentum.
have a little moment. So walk up into the highlands of Ridgefield, with my dogs, with the dogs here. So here's the perfect
Oh my God.
perfect interview chair. There's the dogs. The dogs are getting used to one another, getting to know one another.
Beautiful scenery. You know what? You were totally right.
What?
Coming here,
Come here and
having a little
chance.
silence,
Have a little silence. Sit down.
being close to the nature.
Being close to nature. I got this tree who's blocking the sun perfectly for me.
Fresh
So,
air, fresh
happiness.
wind.
Sit down, Inti.
Yeah, I'm trying to put the right
It is cold. It'll be a short interview because it is cold here.
There you go. Trying to
Now you could sit down and it could be not moving anymore. See, just go like that. Ooh, there it is.
Almost.
Turn it off.